In Rogue County, the Emergency Operations Center will open tomorrow.
In Miami-Dade, a big meeting is planned for the morning to make a decision about that. CBS 4's Hank Tester is live in Doral at the EOC. Hank.
Well, we are at the EOC, and it's going to be a very busy place starting right around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning when city and county officials all get together to figure out just exactly how they're going to wrestle with Irma. Let's take a look. The Miami-Dade early on scramble to stock up on hurricane supplies, gasoline for generators, food to get by, batteries, all the stuff you need to get by if Irma hits hard.
We're not yet at the height of hurricane season, and if people haven't taken the steps to get prepared yet, we're encouraging them to take those steps today.
Irma is an ugly threat. Miami-Dade officials meet Tuesday to assess the danger.
We also, will be looking at the predictions of where this storm could go, the intensity of the storm, because all those variables are important to us in terms of if there is an evacuation order sometime later this week. It's a category 1 through 5. They all have different evacuation zones.
So while folks are stocking up, officials will be talking evacuations, getting people out of the way of storm surge.
The storm surge is really the thing that kills the most people, so that's what really we're worried about.
And first to worry, Miami Beach fighting flooding at high tide on a regular basis, and now a Cat 4 hurricane which could push a surge onto the barrier island.
We've pre-ordered about 18 portable generators to make sure that our pumps have power if the power goes out. Our pumps will have power. Now, of course, these pumps are not designed to handle a hurricane.
And that reminder that's so important that these folks get, if Irma hits, you're on your own.
We take care of the folks that really can't take care of themselves. We expect everybody else to mainly take care of themselves for 3 days, because it could take up to 3 days for us, to reach you.
Now, speaking of evacuations, if you are special needs, if you have special needs, call 311 tomorrow, because you need to register and they'll come and take care of you before the evacuation really occurs. So once again, special needs 311, call tomorrow as soon as possible. That's the very latest. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News Tonight. Back to you.